This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust a Toyota Camry handbrake. Before starting any work, always ensure your vehicle is securely parked on a flat surface with the transmission in park and the engine off. You'll need a few basic tools, including a 10mm wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. This procedure focuses on adjusting the handbrake cable tension to achieve the correct lever travel. To access the handbrake cable adjuster, you'll need to remove the center console. This typically involves removing a few screws and carefully prying up the console. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or plastic components. Once the console is lifted, you will see the handbrake cable and two nuts, a lock nut and an adjusting nut, positioned near the base of the handbrake lever. Now, let's adjust the cable tension. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the upper lock nut while simultaneously holding the lower adjusting nut steady. Then, tighten the lower adjusting nut to increase cable tension, which will reduce the handbrake lever's travel. For a proper adjustment, the handbrake lever should engage fully within 7 to 9 clicks when pulled with moderate force. After adjusting, test the handbrake lever to confirm it engages within 7 to 9 clicks. With the handbrake fully released, verify that the rear wheels rotate freely without any drag. If everything feels correct, carefully reassemble the center console, ensuring all screws and electrical connectors are properly secured. This completes the handbrake adjustment, providing reliable parking brake function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.